Okay, I'm shorting here. We've had quite a drop, but I'm shorting here and I'm gonna add to it in just a little bit. Okay, so I started out with this small because we've had quite a run. I started out with a small position. That's why I wanted to see a little bit extra confirmation, and now I'm going to add another. I'm going to keep building it up till I get to the position that I want. But I'm going to wait for this interval. I want to see how this works out. Because we've had such a drop, I know there's going to be a good rally prior to the next down move if we're going to have another down move. So I've had it I just want to be extra careful so I'm not going to go into a short all at once. Okay, so it looks like we're going to add another. Okay, so I'm just going to let me just set up my stop. So now that I have the approximation of what I want it to be short as a position, I'm going to fix my stops now. Now I can just relax. A lot of buyers here. They keep coming in into the markets. The reason I'm quiet is because I'm looking at several different things, and I'm very quiet when I trade. I guess it doesn't make the best video, but I keep seeing buyers coming in this level, so I'm still trying to figure out exactly where I want to get out some of my position. So, and I'm still not 100% sure, so I'm just going to keep what I have on the screen. Yeah, I'm just okay. Let's see if buyers come in again here in this area. If buyers, I'm gonna pull this down actually to stop because I want to see if buyers come in. If buyers come in, then I'm gonna get out. But if they don't, I will actually move these lower. Yeah, you see buyers are coming in again. I'd rather do this because I want to take advantage of this trade because if it breaks, then it's gonna break hard and we can get a nice move. So even though I had some profits, I'd rather pull my stops because I want to see if we can break, then we're gonna have a nice move. So this is kind of either take a small tiny stop or get a nice trade. And I mean, I got short in this area over here, and I got some nice profits here. And in the last night I was trading because I was watching some currency positions that I had just to stay awake. So last night I was trading, and I got pretty much that entire up move overnight. So it's okay. So it looks like we're trying to push to go lower. Let's see if we can actually push lower. Okay, I'm gonna get out right at these lows because they're gonna probably run it just a little bit. I'm hoping just run it just a little bit, and that's where I want to cover some of my position, and then I'll hold on to some of the rest. Okay, I got out of 6 of the contracts, so the rest I'm just going to manage. Now I have pretty much a safe trade. See, that's the reason I was hesitant. I would have gotten out if the trade around this area where buyers kept coming in, if I it would have pushed up again to about 100 $150 against me, I would have moved. I would have gotten out, and taken that small stop. But trading is about getting good size moves. That's what creates good trading, good trades, in other words, good profits. And see, buyers are coming in, they push a little bit low. Now, this last three that I'm holding, it really, I'm really not going to worry about too much about those. So that's pretty much the whole idea. Is I had a feeling that buyers were coming in here, and we've had a nice push down. I would have gotten out. My point is, I wouldn't have gotten out if I wouldn't have given it after we moved it down here. I wouldn't have given it more than about 150 $200 against me. I just held it, and normally I would have gotten out some profits right around this area, near the lower Keltner channels, but instead I decided to let it run and see if we could get down here. So I have better profits or larger profits. What I have here, this is the just a quick explanation of, yeah, I'm about to cover actually from what I'm seeing. I'm gonna cover the other three too because we're having a hard time push lower here. So I'm gonna cover that last. Let's see what happens here. Yep. Just waiting for this line to close, this last line here. I want to see how it closes. Okay guys, I'm gonna close this position right now. Okay, so that was a quick trade, 9 contracts, not a big position, but quick trade, and made some nice profits on that one. And I'm gonna run out of time here, but just quickly, what the whole idea was, what I have on my screen is this is the developing value area for the day. It's an intraday value area of market profile, so it's value high, point of control, value low, and this is a developing, so it'll intraday as it develops it'll plot that. That's our Z Keltner channel. And then I have the volume breadth, and I was looking at the volume index, have volume weighted average price bands, and I'm also basically have the ticks on here. Anyways, this video is getting kind of long and boring, so I'm gonna just finish it up. If you guys have questions, just let me know.